Hi everybody, it's James again and welcome to my channel. How to disable the PIN and password on the lock screen when logging into Windows 10 with a local account, and how to make your computer secure again. We click the button, Start, then, Settings, Accounts, and here we see that my Windows 10 is running a local account. If you want to remove the local account password, then we continue with this lesson. But if your Windows is controlled by a Microsoft account, then you need other actions to disable the PIN code and password. You can learn about them in my other video tutorial, the link is in the description of this video. We click Login Options, and in this window I click the tab, Password. Here we see that it is impossible to delete the password, we can only change it, and in order to delete the password, we will make a tricky move. Click Change. In this window you need to enter the current password. Next. Here you need to enter a new password instead of the old one, but we will not enter a password at all, we will simply leave the entire field empty and then instead of the password we will have an empty space. Next. We did it, finish. If you have a PIN code, in this window we can also delete the PIN code, click the Hello PIN tab. Click Remove. Then again Remove. The settings window can be closed, and to see what we have done, let's restart our computers. My computer rebooted and now I don't need to enter a PIN or password. This means that everything was done correctly. I hope that everything went well for you and now you no longer need to enter a PIN code or password every time you turn on the computer. In order not to leave your computer unprotected, you can recover the PIN code and password to enter Windows. Press the button, Start, then, Settings, Accounts, Sign-in Options. Click the tab, Password, click Add, and enter a new password. You must enter the new password again. Here you need to enter a password hint in case you suddenly forget your password. Next. Click Finish. And now we will create a new PIN code if you want to improve the security of your computer. Click on the tab, PIN. Press Set AP. Here enter your new password. OK. Enter your new PIN here. Enter your PIN again. OK. Let's restart our computer and see how the new PIN code and password works. Yes, and now we did everything right and our computer is again securely protected, and I hope that what I just said could help you, and if you found it useful, please share my video with anyone. Write me a comment, I will answer all your questions and try to help you. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you again on my channel.